It's time for a backyard fiesta with Chef Capon, ShopRite, and Bowl and Basket Chicken. We're gonna start this fiesta with some chili rub chicken breast off the grill. While that chicken is cooking, we're gonna make a little elote de calle, Mexican street corn off the grill. Notice how I peeled it, pull those husks back, keep that handle nice and tacked. Typical street food from Mexico, grilled, slathered with mayo, rolled in cotija cheese, a little chili powder, a fresh lime, and some cilantro. Winner, winner. Our chicken breasts are ready to go. Our corn is just about done. That corn comes off the grill. A little mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, chili powder. You want to be like Picasso, paint those corn kernels, and then we're gonna roll it in that cotija cheese. We're gonna finish off this elote de calle with a little dusting of chili powder, some chopped cilantro, and a few wedges of fresh lime. That right there, elote de calle, Mexican street corn off the grill. It's taco time, and it's time to bring this fiesta home. We have our beautiful, juicy, chili rubbed chicken breasts. We're gonna slice those up. Look at that nice and juicy chicken breast. Don't overcook your chicken, please. We're gonna slice up a few of these breasts, and we're gonna set up what I like to call a little taco assembly line. Then we're gonna top it with some charred jalapeno salsa, a little crema, a slice of avocado, and perhaps just a few shaved chilies. And there you have it. Bowl and basket chicken tacos, courtesy of ShopRite. Have a fiesta, everybody.